Hi everyone, my name is Lucas from Spin Flowstar. Today I'll be teaching you the 2-beat figure 8 and it looks something like this. Now this is an absolute staple. I've seen a lot of people online being like, how are the Flomies doing this? It's such a confusing move. It seems simple, but it's actually not so as straightforward as you would expect, so that's why the tutorial's here. The prerequisite is you should be able to do a 1-beat figure 8 on the vertical plane. So that looks like something like this. And the reason why they're called 1 beats, doing a little detour into some theory, is that it's doing 1 beat on each side of your arm. So you want to think about right, left, left. Now the difference, and this is why we call it the 2-beat, is it does 2 beats on the right, 2 beats on the left. So ready, let's count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So that is the difference between the 2 moves. Now that's not going to be as helpful just yet, but keep that at the back of your mind, the fact that it's doing 2 beats on each side. We're going to break down this move into 2 segments. The first challenging segment is getting the extra beat on the left side. The second segment that I'll talk about in more detail is the swoop. Those are the 2 most challenging parts of the move, and once you've honed in on just those segments, then the rest of the move should come together. Okay, so we're going to start with our dominant hand. For me, it's my right hand. We're going to bring it out, and we're going to do our first beat on the right side, like this. And I'd recommend doing this step by step and actually pausing the Flowstar. And remember, move slowly, and yeah, just do each little segment at a time. First segment, getting that second beat on the left. So we go right side, left side, and to get our second beat, we use a pistol to go up and down on the same left side. So right, left, left. Okay, that's the first tricky part, getting that extra beat on the left. Once you have done that second beat on the left, we are now going to work on the swoop. So the swoop is just drop your hand and untwist to about here. In fact, you should find yourself at the starting position where you can do a beat on the right. So, right, left, left with the little pistol, down, swoop, back to the starting position, right. Now, we might be getting a little confused at this point because I said there was 2 beats on each side, but at this point in time, for those that are checking in with my beats, it seems to be going 1, then 2, then 1. So where is the second beat? That's the question. What's important to understand is that when you've finished your swoop and you go on the right side, that is in fact already the second beat. This first beat comes in a clean swoop. And the reason why that's important to understand is that means you don't want to rush going into this because that is already your second beat. So let me show you when it moves a bit more in flow. So right, left, left, swoop. And when I swooped, that's where the first beat happens. So I see a lot of people, there's a common error, right? They go boom, 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 and then they go, and then they instantly try and get it back on their right side. Slow it down, give it time, for that is the second beat. So all together now. Right, left, left, swoop, and right, left, left, boom. It will feel clunky, it will take time, but hopefully this video helps. One other thing I'd like to mention is that you should also be swinging your arm side to side. So that's something you need to work on as you're progressing through the trick. Right side, as soon as you do your first left beat, that's when you can swoop over to the left. When you're doing your swoop, that's when you can swoop back to the right. And that's how you get this motion. One other thing to work on, and this will link up to other tricks that I'll be talking about in advanced tutorials, try and make sure it's really tidy on the wheel plane. So what I mean by that is that when it's on either side of your body, it's only taking up a small segment of space. That's pretty much it. Good luck. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.